4 days, we'll be exploring Dublin by foot.
Bike, train, tram and face. We're an English couple.
Living in Glasgow. We've never been to Ireland before.
Much as we genuinely rack our brains
To try and remember.
while we book flights here in the first place.
It's about 6:10 and I'm going to catch our flight to Dublin.
First holiday properly this year since New Year's.
So this is going to be interesting. Never been to Ireland before. Really excited.
Road safety is our #1 priority.
So yeah, the idea is that in Dublin it's meant to be much better Guinness than here. So I think you should try this now and then try it in Dublin and see what you think. I've been directed to to drink the Guinness. That's Guinness. Cut to Dublin. Theory. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, it's like it's much smoother. You won't know the difference. Right, remember that. Can you remember that taste?
I'll try to remember it. I don't really like Guinness. Coming up to the gate.
Welcome you to Dublin Airport 5 minutes ahead of schedule.
And now we're about to get on an Airbus? Not this one. No.
Isaac's guest house, there we go. So yeah,
On the map.
yeah.
There goes our bus. And we're here. We just gotta walk to the hostel now. Alex has gone to a separate room and I'm going to the female dorm in our hostel, in Isaac's hostel. Gonna go straight to sleep. We'll see you tomorrow. Just wake up. This is Alex's room. I have no idea if he's awake yet, but I hardly got any sleep. So much noise in the hostel. So, but looking forward to exploring Dublin. Now we're gonna get a tram to the west side of Glasgow.
Not Glasgow, we're not in Glasgow.
Not in Glasgow anymore. We're in Dublin.
This is obviously transport first time, always a good experience. Yeah.
Figure out how to get tickets.
Oh, there's a
Alex
ticket
doesn't
machine.
know where we're going either.
Ticket
So,
machine. There we go.
where do you think we're going?
No idea. I've never been to Dublin in my life. Just buying a ticket for everywhere.
Got 10 stops to go. So we just got off the tram and we don't actually know if this is a dodgy area or not.
I have no idea where we are.
About 2.5 hours.
Where are we going?
At the Dublin Castle.
It looks like a castle, but it's actually...
That's a jail.
It's a ghetto.
Cool. Oh. Opposite the Hilton.
Oh yeah. We've still got 35 minutes until our jail tour, so we've decided to go across the road and come to this place. So far, all we can see is the longest path ever. Turns out this place is the Irish Museum of Modern Art. After a quick look around, we went back to the prison, did our walking tour, but totally forgot to film any of it. So we just got out of Kilmainham jail.
Yeah.
Jailbreak.
6 months, man. As always, whenever we go abroad, we found out that the British are and we come from a long line of killing, executions, done because we wanted to rule the world, as per normal. So yeah, wasn't that great in that regard, but very, very interesting and incredible place. And no surprise, for a Friday morning. But yeah, anyway, really good, really interesting, very cool place. Definitely recommended if you want to know a lot about Irish history. We're just finding a place for lunch and we stumbled across Phoenix Park. Yeah, it's different. Weird. That's it. Yeah.
I did say I don't like Guinness, but... We're here at the Spire and this is our 3-hour walking tour.
3?
Yellow umbrellas.
It's 3?
Yeah.
Or 3?
3 and 3.
3 hours? You kidding?
3 and 4 hours. Yeah.
There's going to be a catch. There's got to be a catch, surely.
Give him a tip.
Got the money. Oh well, this is it. Our fantastic tour guide James took us round for the next 3 hours in the most famous and little known places in Dublin. 3 hours totally flew by. And of course, being first time vloggers, we forgot to film it again.
What do you think of his tour?
It was amazing. It was really, really good. Really, really thorough and fun. Yeah, highly recommend it.
Yeah, I thought it was awesome. He's an absolutely incredible storyteller as well, which is very Irish in itself. He was really good. I'm really glad we did that because I don't think we would have got that kind of feeling about Dublin anywhere else. We wouldn't know all the little secrets and the bits of culture and politics and history and social change. So it's really interesting. Cheesecake.
Blue cheesecake.
It's the weirdest cake I've ever seen. Oh, it looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. All the E numbers. E numbers.
It's basically mashed potatoes and onions. That's what it is.
What's it called?
Champ. Champ. Champ.
Someone at work yesterday told me that there's an Irish dish called champ that we must try.
It's stew. You need an Irish stew or something like that. That's what you need. That's a meal.
What's that got in it?
Love. And onions and potatoes and lamb. But I think they do vegetarian options.
Did you find any restaurants that do that?
Box tea.
Box tea's too expensive. I'm gonna go hog that leprechaun. He said it costs to take a picture. You had to pay half a penny to cross it. We've ended up at a restaurant which is really lovely and feels really authentically Italian. Yeah, neither of us drink wine normally, but...
The wine that we've been sold is great, but I asked for a sweet wine and I was denied it, which is hilarious. But that's the Italian way. I've experienced Italian hospitality as well. They know what they're talking about by picking it up. Down there. Wine.
Well, after 3 glasses of wine, between us, not each,
You've had one. I've had
at the
2.
Italian restaurant, trying to find some body wash for Alex's chafing between the legs.
Chafing. General hygiene. Tomorrow the plan is the President's House, followed by
Hout, spelt Halve. Bring on day 2.
Do we know where we are?
Not
Do we know
sure.
where we are?